Performer to grace us on stage this afternoon is none other than our special guest, representing one of our event sponsors, Natsu Productions. She's a bright and bubbly local J-pop cover idol, cosplayer, and cheerful streamer from Project Kokonatsu under Natsu Productions. Shining as a member of Hoshizara, let us welcome Natsu Productions' very own Mary Nyan!
very new to me kasi from Davao pa ako. And then
Oh,
still,
wow!
and still, I just sing sa mga events here.
Welcome to Icon 2026 and welcome to Manila. It's
Welcome to Manila as
Yes, yes, it's so nice to have you here on stage.
So far, have you visited all the booths? How's your experience so far with the attendees?
Yes, nabudol na po ako.
Yes!
Yan ang tama, guys.
Yes.
Yan. Bumuli niya pa si Marina. Is there anything you would like to say to your fellow community here at Icon?
I'm so happy to see every idols. Like, sumakit yung likod ko nung nakita ko yung... May nakita akong mga dating mga trigger and stuff. Sumakit yung likod ko.
Parang-
Ay, Nana! I wish that.
Dati na uso yun. Ngayon, dati na siya.
Oh my God! Retro na daw siya, guys. Nag-example retro na daw siya.
Now, are there any social media accounts that you want to plug for our community to follow you?
Yes, I have a Facebook account named Marinyan. You can just search Marinyan. Pero naka-ano siya, nakahiragana. So, pero searchable pa rin naman siya. And also, I stream on YouTube, which is also named Marinyan. And we have a booth over there, Natsu Production. I'm actually under Natsu Productions right now with Project Coconuts. So, if you guys want to know more about us, our booth is over there. Our socials are over there na nakapaskate na siya. So, di na po kayo mahirapan mag-search or mag-tanaw.
Guys, Natsu Productions is known for their video editing, right? Videography. Grabe.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. So I hope everyone got inspired with her performance. So once again, let's give a round